Students, in this session, we are going to revise for your quarterly exam. So, you know what is the portion for that, isn't it? Chapter 4, Geometry. In that, you are going to revise 4.1 to 4.3. Dear students, in this 4.1 to 4.3, you are going to work out all the problems. Okay? You should not skip any problem. Clear? So, students, take it sincerely this exam and work out it properly. Clear? Only then you can score good marks. Clear, students, all of you? Now first we will see the question paper pattern. First subdivision is choose. Okay, you will be having 10 choose. You have to attend all the 10 choose. From this 10 choose, where you are going to learn means read book back. Okay, in chapter 4 you will be having book back choose. No, in that book back choose from 1 to 12 choose you are going to learn. Okay, 13 to 15, that 13, 14, 15. Remaining 4 choose you no need to read. Okay, that is the exercise 4.4 portion. So from 1 to 12 you are going to read the choose from your book back in chapter 4 geometry. Clear? And as well as some of the question will be asked inside your book also. Inside your book means before I am starting each topic, I have gave you one introduction, I have gave you some note, isn't it? From that note, I will ask you the question. Clear, students? Now choose we are having 10 choose. Second subdivision is your 2 marks. You have to attend 10 2 marks in that. Okay, you will be having choice also. So which 2 mark you know thoroughly, that you have to attend. Okay, 10 2 marks you are going to attend for that 20 marks. Third subdivision is here 5 marks. 5 marks you are going to attend 4. So 4 5s are for that also 20 marks. 5 marks also you will be having 6 or 7 questions. Out of that you have to attend only 4 questions. So which question you know thoroughly, you have to attend that first. Clear? Very important is you have to write the question number. That is very important. Clear? If you are starting from the 5 mark means please write the question number correctly. Okay? After completing each problem, draw the line neatly. Clear? Submit the paper very neatly and good presentation. That is very important. Clear? Students, in geometry, for most of the problem we have drawn the diagram, isn't it? If you see similar triangles, if you are using by the Thales theorem, for that also we have drawn diagram. For most of the problem we have drawn diagrams. So you also going to draw the diagram in your answer sheet neatly. Clear, all of you? All the calculation you have to draw the column in the side of your paper. Every calculation should be mentioned in the answer sheet. Okay, I will calculate everything. For your neatness and presentation also I am going to give you the mark. Clear? So this is your question paper pattern. Now we'll start revising the chapter 4. Clear, all of you? We are going to the concept now. Now in exercise 4.1, all the problems we are solving by the similar triangle concept, isn't it? So first we'll know about the similar triangle. Now see the triangle ABC, PQR. Okay, I am saying these two triangle ABC and as well as PQR are similar. Similar means like this wavelength we will be writing. How I am saying these two triangles are similar means, see, here also angle 1, here also angle 1, here also angle 2, here also angle 2, here also angle 3 and here also angle 3. So I can say angle A is equal to angle B, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. Okay, but the length will not be same. So only I have written AB is not equal to PQ, BC is not equal to QR, AC is not equal to PR we can write. Okay, if the two triangles are similar means the corresponding sides are proportional. Proportional means in divide form you have to write. Okay, how to select the corresponding side means, see in the first triangle, angle 1 and 2 if I am selecting. Angle 1 and 2 means which side it is coming? AB side. Similarly, in this next triangle, where angle 1 and 2 we are having? Here. So that is what side? PQ side. So AB divided by PQ. Here is equal to. Next, if I am taking 2, 3 angle means BC side. Here also that 2, 3 is having QR side. So BC, the corresponding side is QR. Here, next 3, 1 if I am taking. Okay, then you also have to take 3, 1. For CA, the corresponding side is what? RP. So CA divided by RP. Here, if the two triangles are similar, the corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, based on this concept only, we will be solving all the problems in exercise 4.1. Okay, now we are having some criteria to say the two triangles are similar. In that, the first criterion we are going to see is AA criterion of similarity. AA means angle criterion of similarity. Student, only using the AA criterion of similarity will be solving most of the problem in exercise 4.1. Only AA criterion will be using. Okay, so understand now the AA criterion easily. See, AA means, by A means angle criterion of similarity. See, here also angle 1, here angle 1. Okay, angle A is equal to angle P. I have written both are angle 1. Here angle B is equal to angle Q, because here also angle 2, here also angle 2. So, now by AA criterion, I am saying triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Clear? So if the two triangles are similar, how can we write? The corresponding sides are proportional. Like that you have to write. Student, don't think that like this format itself they will give you the question in your exercise. Okay, you have to understand the question. You have to draw two triangles. From that two triangle, you have to see which angle is common and which side is same. Everything you have to see, and then only you have to think which criterion it will come. According to that, you have to use the criterion. Then you have to say the two triangles are similar. Then only you have to write the corresponding sides are proportional, and the values you have to substitute. You have to find the value. Clear all of you? So based on that only you have to work out the exercise problem. Clear? Now first we have seen about AA criterion. No, still two more criterion we are having, which is SAS criterion, side angle criterion, and SSS criterion. That we'll see now. See, I have written here SAS criterion of similarity. Now first I will tell you the difference between AA criterion and SAS criterion. Here AA criterion means two angles of one triangle. Okay, now see here, two angles of one triangle, okay, is equal to two angles of another triangle. Okay, two angles of another triangle means then the two triangles are similar. Clear? Two angles of one triangle is equal to two angles of another triangle means then the two triangles are similar by AA criterion. Okay, now we'll see the SAS criterion. SAS criterion means, see in that, one angle of a triangle, okay, one angle of a triangle is equal to the one angle of another triangle, and the sides, okay, and the sides including them are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. Here, what in SAS criterion we are saying means, see, angle A also 1, angle B also 1. So, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 1. Clear? Now, don't think that here 1 while we are representing. In your problem, you will be having 90 degree or same angle you will be having like that you will be having. Okay? For your reference, I am writing here 1 and here also 1. So, angle A is equal to angle B equal to 1. Okay? That is one angle. Okay? Then two side you are having. No. See, I have written here one line. Then in the next triangle where we are having one line. So, here. So, which means AB, the corresponding side is PQ. Here, AB, the corresponding side is what? PQ. Here, see, I am writing here AB divided by PQ. Okay, these two sides are equal. Okay, if equal means you have to write it in the proportional form. So, AB divided by PQ is equal to another, here also two line, here also double line. So, AC divided by PR. Okay, so by SAS criterion we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Here, all of you SAS criterion. Still one more criterion we are having, which is side criterion. Next, we will see the triple S criterion, SSS criterion, which is side criterion. In this, three sides of a triangle are proportional to the three corresponding sides of another triangle. Okay, then the two triangles are similar. Clear? Which means, see, here only one line is there. In this triangle where we are having one line. So, here. Okay. Here AB means here PQ. So, for AB the corresponding side is PQ. So, AB by PQ is equal to. Here we are having double line BC. So, here where we are having QR. Okay. So, what will come here? AC divided by QR. Okay, clear all of you? AC divided by QR. Sorry students, not AC, here BC. Here double line is BC, where here double line we are having QR. So BC divided by QR. Then where triple line we are having, three line we are having AC, here we are having PR. AC divided by PR. Okay, in any format you can write. Okay, now from this what we are saying, three sides of a triangles are proportional. Proportional means in divide form to the three corresponding sides of another triangle. Then the two triangles are similar. Clear? Similar means how we are writing? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, students, but in exercise 4.1, most of the problem we are solving only by AA criterion of similarity. Okay, that is very easy criterion. With that itself, we are completing most of the problem in exercise 4.1. Clear? Next, we will see some useful result in similar triangle. Students, next we are going to see some useful results on similar triangle. In that only two results we are going to see. What is the first result is, if two triangles are similar. Okay, we are taking triangle ABC and a triangle DF. If the two triangles are similar, then the ratio of corresponding sides are equal to the ratio of the corresponding perimeter. Okay, in similar triangles we are going to see about now perimeter and as well as the area. Okay, both the concepts are very important. Based on this concept, you will get 2 marks. Okay, now see, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Then, how can we write the perimeter of this two triangle? Means, what they are saying, ratio of corresponding sides. So, for this AB, the corresponding side is what? DE. Similarly, for BC, the corresponding side is EF. For CA, the corresponding side is FD. So, equal to the corresponding side, corresponding perimeters. Perimeter means what? You have to add all the three sides. Isn't it? That is the perimeter. So AB plus BC plus CA divided by DE plus EF plus FD. Clear? What they are saying, the ratio of corresponding sides are equal to the ratio of the corresponding perimeter. Perimeter means in a triangle if you are adding all the three sides, that is the perimeter. So AB plus BC plus CA divided by DE plus EF plus FD. Clear? Now we see the about area. Second one is the ratio of the area of two similar triangles are equal to the ratio of the squares of the corresponding side. Okay, area itself means will be square we have to put. So, similar triangles are equal to the ratio. Ratio means in divide form. To the square of their corresponding side. For each corresponding side you have to put the square. Clear? See now I have taken the two triangles A, B, C, P, Q, R. Okay. Now the two triangles are similar. Then how can we write the two triangles area means area of triangle ABC is equal to, for AB the corresponding side is what? This PQ. So you have to write it in the square. AB square divided by PQ square is equal to BC square divided by QR square. Then next one is AC square divided by PR square. Clear? Student, these concepts are very important. Based on this, you will having the problems in your exercise 4.1. Clear all of you about the perimeter and area. Next, we will see the Thales theorem. So far, we have learned the exercise 4.1 concept. In exercise 4.1, fully we are dealing with the similar triangles. Okay, that too especially we are learning about the AA criterion. Okay, based on that only we will be having all the problems. AA criterion only. Clear? Next we are moving for the exercise 4.2. See, in that 4.2 exercise, we are dealing with two theorem. Okay. Two theorem. What are the theorem means? Basic proportionality theorem and as well as the angle bisector theorem. Based on the two theorem, we will be solving the problem in the exercise 4.2. Okay. Now first we will see the basic proportionality theorem. You all know basic proportionality theorem is also called as Thales theorem. Okay. A straight line drawn parallel to a side of a triangle. See, I have drawn the straight line parallel to a side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides. Intersecting at D, here intersecting at E. Intersecting the other two sides divides the sides in the same ratio. Okay, see, in Thales theorem, they have given DE is parallel to BC. What we have to prove means the divides in the same ratio we have to prove, which means AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC we have to prove. Clear? Now based on this, more 2 marks we are having in the exercise 4.2. So work out all the 2 marks with this concept. Clear? Now according to the corollary, how can we write this Thales theorem means in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC by Thales theorem. How can we write? AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Okay, by that format you can write. Next format, how can we write? AB, full length. AB divided by first of AD is equal to this side full length. AC divided by first of AE. Okay, like this also you can write. According to your values they given in the question, you can write it in the same ratio. Clear? Divides in the same ratio you can write. Now third way how can we write means AB full length divided by the second of. In the second you have written full length divided by the first part AD. Okay, now the third full length AB divided by the remaining down part DB is equal to full length AC divided by the remaining EC. Clear? Like that also you can write. Okay, if triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC means you can apply in any one format, you can apply the values and you can find the missing values. Clear students, the basic proportionality theorem. In that basic proportionality theorem itself, we are having the converse part. Okay, what is the difference between the basic proportionality and the converse part? Means in basic proportionality, they have given DE is parallel to BC. We proved AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. But in converse part, they have given this. They have given AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC they have given. We have to prove DE is parallel to BC. Clear? Reverse format. Converse means what is given that we have to prove. What to prove that is our given. Clear? Based on this also you are having 2 mark problems in the exercise 4.2. Work out that also. Clear students? Clear what is about the basic proportionality theorem and converse of basic proportionality theorem? Yes. Students, understand the concept well, then you can start doing the problem so that you will be easy for you. Next, we'll see about the angle bisector theorem. In this angle bisector theorem, what they have given in the statement means they have given the AD is the internal bisector. Okay, they have given the internal bisector and we have to prove triangle divides the opposite side internally in the ratio of the corresponding sides containing the angle we have to prove. Here, which means AB. Okay, AB divided by AC. Here, AB divided by AC is equal to this of BD divided by remaining of CD. Here, AB. If it is coming, then the furthest the corresponding side is what? AC. Okay. Similarly, BD divided by CD. Okay. In the angle bisector theorem, they have given AD is an internal bisector. They have given internal bisector, and we have to prove the AB divided by AC is equal to BD divided by CD. We have to prove. The converse of angle bisector theorem is what? To prove is what that they have given, that they have given as given. We have to prove in that is AD is the internal bisector. The reverse format. Clear? As I told you before itself, converse means what we are proving in the normal theorem, that is the reverse we will be proving in the converse part. Clear? Now, based on the Thales theorem and angle bisector, now I am going to do two problem. Based on angle bisector theorem, one problem, and Thales theorem, one problem I am going to do. Clear? Now based on the Thales theorem, I am going to do one problem. Okay, the same model you are going to try your exercise problem also. Okay, now see the question. In triangle ABC, if DE is parallel to BC, they have given AD, DB, AE and EC value. Okay, with this value we have to find what is the length of AB and what is the length of AC value we have to find. Clear? Now what are the values they are given? You are going to write in the triangle. Okay, AD is x, DB is x minus 2, AE is x plus 2, EC is x minus 1. Now in the question they have given DE is parallel to BC. Where we will get DE is parallel to BC? In Thales theorem you will get. So by Thales theorem I am writing AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. So what are the values you are having? Just you write it. X divided by x minus 2 is equal to x plus 2 divided by x minus 1. We have to find AB and AC value, isn't it? First for that we have to know what is x value. So first we will find the x value. For that I am doing the cross multiplication. X into x minus 1 equal to x plus minus 1 into x plus 2. Now take this x. X into x is x square. X into 1 is x. Here x minus 2, x plus 2. What formula is this? A minus b, a plus b. So a square minus b square. The next step, x square minus x is equal to x whole square means x square. 2 square means 4. So x minus x is equal to minus 4. How means this x square and this x square will get cancelled. Remaining is what? Minus x is equal to minus 4. Minus minus get cancelled means x is equal to 4 we have got. Okay, now we have got x is equal to 4. Now AD value is what? X. So AD value now x is about 4. So from this how will you find DB value? 4 minus 2 is what? 2. So AB full length if you need means this is 4 and this is 2. So 4 plus 2 is what? 6. So only I have written AB equal to 6. AB is nothing but AD plus DB is the full length AB. For this AD we are having 4. For this DB if we are having 6 means if we add 4, DB for this here having 2 means 4 plus 2 is 6. So the full length AB length is 6. Clear? Then similarly AC. Now we are having x is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. So full length means here 6 plus 3 is what? 9. So AB length is 6. AC length is 9. Clear? Like this way you are going to do your exercise problem. You will get the correct answer. Okay. Now we will see the based on the angle bisector theorem one problem. See the question in figure. In the question we have given the figure. AD is the bisector of angle BAC. Okay. Then if AB equal to 10 centimeter, AC is equal to 14 centimeter, BC equal to 6 centimeter. Find BD and DC. This full length B to C full length they have given. But we don't know what is BD length and DC separate length we don't know. That we have to find. Okay, where we will be talking about bisector, angle bisector. In the angle bisector theorem we will be talking. Isn't it? So, in angle bisector what we have proved? We have proved AB. Okay, AB divided by AC. Okay, AB divided by AC is equal to BD divided by DC. We have proved no. So according to that I am writing here AB value is 10, AC value is 14, BD value is X, CD value is X minus X. 10 and 14 will go in same table. If you cancel, I am getting 5 by 7 is equal to X divided by 6 minus X. I am cross multiplying here. 5 into 6 minus X, what you will get? 30 minus 5X is equal to 7 into X is 7X. So, X I am writing one place. So, 7X plus 5X is equal to 30. If you are adding 7X plus 5X, what you will get? You will get 12X. 12X is equal to 30 means from this X equal to 30 by 12. If you are dividing 12 with 30, if you are dividing with 12 means you are getting X value as 2.5 centimeter. Okay, but in the question they were asking BD value and DC value. So BD value we have taken as X. So what is that X value now? BD is equal to same 2.5 centimeter. Clear? Next DC. DC is what? 6 minus X. 6 minus X value is 2.5. From this 6 if you are subtracting 2.5 means you are getting 3.5 centimeter. Clear students how I am doing the two problem? Yes. Next we will see about the Pythagoras theorem. So far we have completed the revision for two exercises. Okay. The first exercise is what? Similarity of triangles we have seen. Okay. In second exercise what are the concepts we have learned? We have learned about Thales theorem, converse of Thales theorem, angle bisector theorem and converse of angle bisector theorem. Only based on this four concepts you are having problems in the exercise 4.2. Now in exercise 4.3 what concept based problem you are having means you are having the Pythagoras theorem based problems in exercise 4.3. First we have to know what is Pythagoras theorem. Okay, what we have learnt in Pythagoras theorem we will see now. In a right angle triangle, the square on the hypotenuse side is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. Okay, Pythagoras theorem means immediately you have to think about what? Right angle triangle only. Okay, the square on the hypotenuse side. I have told you when I am teaching the exercise, hypotenuse means what? Which side? That is the longest side. Okay, and compared to remaining two side, which is the longest side? That is the hypotenuse side. The square on the hypotenuse side is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. Okay, now see what is given in that theorem means they are given triangle ABC and they are given that angle A equal to 90 degree, which means they are given right angle triangle. We have to prove that hypotenuse side square is equal to square of the remaining two sides. Here student, Pythagoras theorem is very important theorem, and as well as this is the easiest theorem when compared to the remaining theorems. So read the theorem fully with statement, construction to prove given and the main proof. Ends till ends proved you have to write. Here this is a very important theorem. Now in note we'll see in India Pythagoras theorem is also referred as Baudina theorem. Okay, in your exam or in your future test, I will ask you the question how means state and prove Baudian's theorem means what theorem you have to prove? You have to prove the Pythagoras theorem only. You should not blink by that time. Here Baudian's theorem is also called as Pythagoras theorem. How we are saying Thales theorem is also called as basic proportionality theorem? No, like that Pythagoras theorem is also called as Baudina theorem. Clear all of you? Now based on this Pythagoras theorem I am going to explain the problem. Already we have seen problem number 1 and 2. So I have given this problem number 3. Here now I am going to read the question. What is the length of ladder? Okay, to knee is made to reach a height of 7 feet along the wall when the base of the ladder is 4 feet from the wall. Can you able to understand the question? Like this format only you will be having in exercise problem also. You have to understand the question. After understanding, you itself have to draw the diagram. After drawing, you have to find which is the hypotenuse side, which is the opposite side, and which is the adjacent side you have to see. Clear? Now, what is the length of ladder? Okay, here the ladder, this ladder we have to find the length. To reach a height of 7 feet along the wall. So the wall height is 7 feet. When the base of the ladder is 4 feet from the wall. From here the wall is there. From the wall 4 feet away we are placing the ladder to the wall. Okay, we have to find the length of the ladder. Okay, now here now see ladder, ground. If they are talking about ladder, ground means immediately you will get the right angle triangle only. Okay, now see whenever you are drawing right angle triangle, the opposite to that is your hypotenuse side. Clear? So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse side square. Your hypotenuse side is what? AB. That is the longest side, and as well as it is the opposite to the 90 degree. Isn't it? So AB square is equal to, what are the remaining two sides? AC square plus BC square. That only we have seen the statement, no? In right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse side is AB square is equal to square of the remaining two side. Remaining two side means AC square plus BC square. Okay, AB square. AB is what? That is the length of the ladder. That only we have to find. Okay, that I am taking as X, the whole square. AC value is what? 7 feet. So 7 whole square. BC value is what? 4 feet. So 4 the whole square. 7 if you square we are getting 49. 4 if you square you will getting 16. So 49 plus 16 if you add you will get 65. then immediately which two number you will multiply, you will get near to the 65. Yes, very good. 8 8s are 64. It is getting near to 65. Isn't it? So, x square equal to 65 means in the next step you have to write x equal to square root of 65. Because we don't want the value of x square. We want the value of x only. So, x equal to square root of 65. This is what square near to the square number. That is 8.1. 1 is the near to this. So x equal to 8.1 feet is the height of the ladder. Clear student? Based on this model only you are having the exercise problem. So work out it. Clear students? So far we have revised exercise 4.1 concept, exercise 4.2 concept and as well as the exercise 4.3 concept we have revised. Students, go through the video, previous video also, everything you go through, understand it. Then you have to work out all the problems. You are having very less number of problems in 3 exercises. So work out it and get good marks. Clear students? All the best for your exam. Thank you students.